Over the next few months, which will be winter here in the UK, I shall be completing a major project, my Radical Design and Making Wood course, that I'm now producing as a multimedia online publication. That means integrated videos. Now, this has been work in progress for several years, and this is where I need the help of a handful of interested viewers. If you are a total beginner at woodwork and are interested in taking it to a much greater level and design what you make rather than copy tradition, I am offering a free publication to a handful of you in return for feedback on how I am structuring this course and building up the publication so it's easy to understand. I will ask you specific questions such as ease of navigation around the online publication and the way need-to-know information is presented without the viewer being totally overwhelmed by too much information from the start. So it will involve a few hours study as I modify and update various sections of the program online. It is an intensive integrated course in the form of a video integrated ebook. Radical in approach, although I've been teaching this for over 40 years. The online course will probably be finally priced around £130, and that's cheap for what's on offer. And so a select handful of people will receive the fully completed program just for a few hours of your time. If you are a total beginner at woodwork, it's actually an advantage because my radical design approach requires emptying the mind. And it is particularly mindful of women, as my previous courses demonstrated how receptive women were in solving design problems without a knowledge of woodwork, which is still predominantly a male culture. The course integrates designing and making through 3 highly structured projects that I have designed and delivered at leading UK colleges and abroad since the 1980s. In 2005, I was commissioned by a major world publisher to create spreads for the book, but it failed to sell at the New York Book Fair. So I guess the USA market, the prime market, was not ready for it then. But we can't copy the past forever. Well, we now have Elon Musk, and for the past 40 years, I have applied the first principles approach that he refers to, and not relying on familiarity and copying the past as a way to solve problems. It's still very much the status quo in woodworking. So if you want to unlock the key to true creativity and learn time and cost efficient methods of woodworking that give true satisfaction because you are involved in the decision making of what tools you use, what materials you use, what the design looks like, etc., etc. And you will then be able to say, I actually designed that myself. And you'll be surprised at how easy it is with the right guidance from me. And I have many students who have successfully completed my course when I ran it at various colleges and in my own studio. The challenge is to make this course effective online and reach a wider audience. Well, please email me with basic information about yourself if you would like to be part of this exciting process of finalizing my presentation. Thanks for watching.